Hello again everyone. In this video tutorial we are going to solve this given word problem. The average of two numbers is m. If one number is n, find the other number. So that means one of the number that is given to us is n. And the other number that we don't know, we're gonna call it x. And this way we're going to find the value of x. And moreover, the average of these two numbers is m. The average of these two numbers, how do we find the average? By just simply adding them up, dividing by how many of these or two of them. So this is going to simply become n plus x divided by 2. This is the average, equals to m. And now we want to solve for x. So I can make a fraction on this side by just putting 1 underneath. Now I want you to just simply crisscross. We're going to use the cross multiplication. And when you cross multiply this way, 1 times n plus x is going to be n plus x equals to, when you multiply the other way around, 2 times m. Now we want to isolate this x. So that means I'm going to subtract n from both sides. So that means this n and negative n is gone. So x is going to be equal to 2m minus n. Thus our other number is 2m minus n, and that is our answer. Thanks for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel